Hi, if you're like me, I know you like to customize when you get into new documents and get started. And one way to be really efficient is to create templates so that you have starting points that are already set up the way that you like them. In Excel, the way I would do this is possibly to make a few changes. I mean, you could change things here. I'm going to go to the page layout and look at the themes. That's a combination of a color, font, and effects. So you could pick one of these different themes, and all three of those things are already embedded in them. Or you could go right into colors, pick a color you like, pick a font combination that you prefer, any kind of special effects. This is how, if you're making charts and graphs and things, those would be elements that you could have set as defaults. I like changing the colors because that changes colors everywhere. Everywhere that I use colors, like tables and charts and things, it's going to be everywhere. So once I've kind of set up my favorite things, I'll go to File, Save As, and instead of this being a regular workbook template or workbook file, I'll save it as an Excel template. Now I'm not going to put it with my other stuff. I'll go to the recommended folder for this because what that is the custom office templates for Excel. And I'll call this Dawn New Book. How about blue? Just so I know what I did. And it's going right into custom office templates. Now when I do that, now to show you, I'll close it first. Close. When I'm getting started and want a new file, File, New, instead of going to the blank, what I'll do is look at Personal, and I'm actually going to take, and there's my Dawn New Book Blue. I will pin it. That way it's going to be handy. So I could go to a blank or I could go to that. I'll go to my own and it will name it with a number 1. So this is a brand new file, like book 1, that has not yet been truly named and is not yet in a file location. So now whatever I do, all of those things, it's coming in my favorite font, it's coming in with colors that I want, and I'm ready to go. If you wanted to save this as your default template, I don't know that I'd go to the trouble to do that. You can put a template in your XL Start folder. But I like just being able, I can start anytime, File, New, and I can see ones that I've got pinned up there, and it's just as easy to get started with the blank as it is to whatever my custom ones are or any other personal setups that I've started. Hope that helps. Have a great day.